Let's talk about SolidWorks drawing arrow leader styles when we're calling out dimensions. So let's say here I want to call out the specs around these holes here. I can zoom in first on this view. And let's say I want to call out this whole diameter. We can place that 1/8 inch diameter. Now if we go to leaders, you'll see we can change the call out to a radius. We can keep it at diameter. We can keep it at, so there's both arrows on both sides, grabbing it like that to make it a little more clear. We can change the arrow style. We want to make it clear so we can see a bit easier. Can make it like just a dot call out, which looks kind of nice too. So different ways, leader styles you can place on your drawings to make it look nicer. Just wanted to show you that quick tip here in SolidWorks drawings. Become a channel member to get some nice SolidWorks job listings, and like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.